Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to purchase a Bzztrips package and pay with your credit card via Stripe. First, visit www.bzztrips.com. Great, you are now on Bzztrips homepage. Go to Packages from the top menu bar and make your selection. Now you will see the available Bzztrips packages and relevant information. Select the desired package, then click View Now. Now you are on the selected packages page. Go to My Account on the right top menu bar and click Sign In. Type your username and password and log in. You will be redirected back to the initial page. Take a look on all the packages and hotel details and the terms and conditions. Click on the price reference chart to see the package's price. After reviewing the package's details, you may start to make your purchase. Go to Occupancy and choose an option. Fill in the guest details if you are coming accompanied.
Great, now click the button, Add to Cart. Click the box on the top right corner, then, click the Checkout button. After you have filled the form with your personal details, select the option for payments via Stripe. Please read and accept the terms and conditions. Finally, press the button Continue to Payment. Now, if you like to, you can save the payments information to your account for future purchases. Please press the button Place Order. Great, now is time to insert your card number, expire date, and the CVC number. That's it. Just click the button Pay. Your purchase is complete and soon you will receive a confirmation email with also an invoice. Please check your email. This completes today's tutorial. If you have any follow-up, you may contact us at support@bzztrips.com. Have a great experience with Bzztrips.